Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2014 Range Rover. The luxury that's more than a luxury. It's quite apparent throughout our Range Rover heritage and is priced below $55,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, power passenger seat, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, heated rear seats, four-wheel disc brakes, active suspension system, center armrest. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.